Hello everyone, welcome back to TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I will be talking about my 1 year braid lock DIY anniversary. So, let's go ahead and begin. Actually, before that, I would like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I'll wait. Did you do it? Alright, great. So, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's see. Let's go ahead and talk about my hair routine. And please excuse the helicopter that is flying over right now as I'm recording. But anyway, my hair routine includes on the daily, I spray my hair with water. And in this spray bottle, I have rose hip oil included. And then basically I just spray it, and actually let me go ahead and spray it now since I'm sitting here because it's been kind of hot today, and I do try to keep my hair keep my locks moisturized. Alright, and then so I spray it with that, and actually usually that's pretty much it. And maybe like every other day, I'll add some oil to my hair. And in this bottle I have extra virgin olive oil, and I have coconut oil. And the coconut oil that I use is this organic coconut oil. I did purchase this from Sam's Club, and I've had it now for about a year, so that just goes to show that you really don't need a lot. I try to keep things as simple as possible. Now, every other weekend, I will wash my hair, and what I use is the Suave Essentials Daily Clarifying Shampoo. At the time that I purchased this, it was that's when the Dollar Tree still had everything for like $1. So it's probably $1.25 now, but this is great. It helps to remove excess oil, buildup, and residue. So this is really great, and this is probably the reason why I don't have a lot of product buildup. And then after I wash my hair, get out the shower, I will pat my hair dry. I don't rub it, but I still use a towel. I don't use a t-shirt or microfiber cloth or anything like that. I just get the excess water off as much as I can, and then I'll oil my hair with the coconut oil, and then I'll add in the Isoplus Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner with coconut oil. I also love this, and yes, I know this is a creamy product, but my hair loves the creamy products, and it takes very well to it. And actually, me using this has helped my hair to lock a little bit faster. And this is great for moisture retention, hydration, and elasticity. So I use that, and then I kind of like to set my hair so it'll look like I have like it gives me that feeling like I just went to the salon or something. So I'll also put in this Softy Super Freeze Styling Gel, and this protein styling gel. This also works great for my hair. Now, you use what you have to use. You don't have to use the products that I use. I'm just saying what products work for me. And I have my notes here. So I maintain my hair using the latch hook tool, not the latch hook. I'm sorry. Did I say the latch hook tool? I didn't mean the latch hook tool. I use the interlocking tool. I don't use a latch hook. I use the interlock tool that you can purchase at the beauty salon stores. Sometimes you get like 2 of them in a pack. It'll be a gold and a silver one, and they run about $2 and some change after tax. And that's what I've been using to interlock my hair. I don't know how to twist. I really don't have an interest in it. I hear that it's quicker, but I don't think it will be for me to maintain my new growth on my locks. I kind of like, I just basically like using the interlocking tool because I don't necessarily need to see the back. My parts are, they're good enough for me. They're not crisp as if they were sister locks, and but they're close enough. I'll say close enough. I like my grid pattern as it is right now, so I'm fine with it. What else did I use? Well, actually, you know, that's pretty much it. And then, so the reasons why I decided to lock, number one, I really wanted sister locks, but I couldn't afford it. I can't afford it. I couldn't afford to get them started. I couldn't afford to maintain, you know, go back and get it maintained. I just like everything simple, so I keep it simple by, you know, I went to YouTube University. I started watching a whole bunch of videos about, you know, micro locks, mini locks, and start off with sister locks because there's really not a lot of information on YouTube about braid locks. There's not a lot of people who do braid locks, and if there are, you'll type in sister locks and braid locks, so sometimes pop up under that search. But like I said, I just watched a whole bunch of those videos, and I decided, you know, hey, I can do that myself. So that's what I decided to do. So I did it myself. Now, let's see here. What else I wanted to talk about? I talked about the parts that I use. I talked about the things that I do. So I guess, like I said, I didn't want the video to be really long. I will say, I'm in a few lock groups on Facebook, and let me say that one thing, when you want to start this hair journey, this natural hair journey, you definitely have to be patient. You have to be patient, and don't compare your locks to other people's locks. I made that mistake in the beginning. I was, you know, coming across all of these beautiful, you know, micro locks and mini locks and sister locks and all of that, and I'm thinking, you know, looking at other people's videos like, oh, you know, their hair texture looks like mine. I think my hair is gonna, you know, look like that. I want my hair to look like that. And then as time progressed and as each month came and went, I started to realize that my hair doesn't look like anybody else's, and it can't look like anybody else's because it's my hair. It's nobody, you know, your hair is like your fingerprint. Your hair is like your fingerprint on everything, so it can't be compared to anybody else's because nobody else has your fingerprint. Only you have your fingerprint. And just like with your hair texture and the way your hair grows, and you know, how fast or how slow, how it tangles, you know, how it, you know, the texture changes, or the different textures, because believe it or not, most people have different textures all over their whole head. My hair texture is like that. In the back, my hair, my loose hair, it was finer. It definitely was, you know, tightly coiled or very curly, and that was another reason why I decided to lock my hair up, because I didn't know how to control it, how to maintain, you know, that hair that I had. I didn't want to keep putting heat on it. I didn't want to keep putting it up in ponytails or anything like that. I just didn't want to stress my hair out any more, you know, than it probably was. But so that was another reason why I decided but just keep in mind that your locks are not like anybody else's because they're yours. Your journey is not going to be the same as anybody else's because it's your journey and nobody else's journey. You're going to experience things like, oh, I'm so tired of this. When is my hair going to look like this? How come it's not locking fast enough? And that's how it was. The first 3 months of my journey, my hair in the back locked faster and matured faster than my hair in the front and on the sides. these here are just now getting to the texture that happened 9 months ago with the ones in the back. So yeah, please, just please be patient. That is like the number one rule, is patience. And do not compare your journey to anybody else's. And I just wanted to say that because I do plan on doing another video like that. I just thought I would come on real quick and just, you know, show you guys my hair journey right now and what's going on with it, because I just felt like I wanted to share what was going on. So I'm going to try to do a 360. I'm just sitting in a regular chair, so I might have to just go from side to side, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look. And I do not have a fresh retie. It's not time for me to do my retie yet. It won't, I think I have about maybe 3 more weeks before I do it again. It just depends on how much growth I'll have between now and the next few weeks, because it seems like once I hit my 1-year anniversary, I mean, I literally started seeing, you know, feeling the new growth in my hair. But I'm trying to be patient. I'm trying to be patient and just wait another 3 weeks before I retie my hair. Okay, so we're going to start on my left. It may show up as your right. So on my left, this is how it's looking, and it's almost about to hit my shoulders here. So I hope by the new year it'll be like laying, just touching it just a little bit more right here. Okay, and then I'm going to turn to my right, which may show up as your left, and this is how the texture, how they're looking on this side. And then here's the back. Alright, and that's it. So I think that's just going to be it with this video. Like I said, I just wanted to pop on real quick and do, you know, show you guys what my hair is looking like at 1 year. And of course, I wanted to record and document this. If it's not for you, it's definitely for me. So I can look back a year from now, you know, next year at this time, and, you know, hopefully there'll be a lot more changes in my hair. And I know that it will, because it changes on the daily. But yeah, once again, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment below if you have any comments or questions. Please keep it positive, and go ahead and hit that bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. Okay, thank you. Bye.